And we also have the infinite geometric series. That means, ito yung mga geometric sequence na hindi natin basta-basta alam kung saan nag-end. So, tuloy-tuloy siya. So, we have the formula S infinity is equal to A1 over 1 minus R. Example tayo. What is the sum of the geometric sequence 8, negative 2, 1 half, negative 1 over 8, and the ellipse sign? So, di natin alam kung hanggang saan ba yung sequence na iyan. So, gamitin natin yung ating formula. So, S infinity is equal to ang A1 natin, so given, which is 8, over 1 minus R natin, which is the common ratio. So, hanapin muna natin. So, ang R natin dito sa case na to is A2, negative 2, over A1, which is 8. 2 divided by 8 can be written in simplest form. So, negative 1/4. So, minus negative 1/4. So, 8 over 1, negative times negative, that will become positive 1/4. So, 8 over 1 plus 1/4. So, LCD is 4. 4 times 1, 4 plus copy 1. Now, we have 8 over 4 plus 1, 5 over 4. Fraction tayo. So, 8 times the reciprocal of the denominator, 4 over 5. So, 8 times 4, 8, 16, 24, 32. 32 over 5. So, ang sum natin dyan ay 32 over 5. Yan ngayon yung sum ng ating infinite geometric sequence. Ang famous example ng geometric series is the pendulum. Familiar kayo doon? Yung gumaganon. So, example tayo. On the first swing, the length of the arc through which a pendulum swings is 10 decimeter. The length of each successive swing is 2/3 of the preceding term, or preceding swing. Find the total distance it has traveled before coming at rest. So, determine natin kung ano ba yung given natin. So, meron tayo sa first swing niya ay 10 decimeter. So, yung magiging A1 natin. And, the length of each successive swing is 2/3. So, ito ngayon yung magiging R natin. So, gamitin natin sa formula. S infinity, A1 is 10 over 1 minus R natin is 2/3. 2 over 3. So, 10 over 3. 3 times 1. 3 minus copy 2. So, 10 over 3 minus 2. That is 1/3. Copy the numerator times the reciprocal of the denominator. 3 over 1. So, 10 times 3. That is 30. Ang unit natin, dm. So, mag-travel siya ng total ng 30 decimeter bago siya huminto. So, yan ang infinite geometric series. So, tapos na tayo sa lesson 2.